In this video, I'm going to be uncovering a secret strategy that you can use to make over $3,500 every single week just by using Google search for completely free. Now, this is not one of those scammy videos about online surveys or random make money online strategies that don't work. Everything I'll be sharing with you in this video works 100%, and I'm personally using the strategies to make thousands of dollars every single week, as you can see right here. Now, the first step to affiliate marketing, actually making $3,500 every single week by just using Google search, is that the first thing you want to do is that you want to pick a product to promote as an affiliate. Now, just in case you don't know, the method that we are actually going to be using to make money on Google search is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is basically when you promote somebody else's product through a unique affiliate link that they give you. And whenever you can actually get somebody to buy that product or sign up to that product, you're going to be getting a percentage known as a commission. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be promoting this product called Social Boost, and I'm going to be signing up to the affiliate program of Social Boost and showing you exactly how you can use Google search to promote Social Boost very easily and quickly so you can make $3,500 every single week just exactly like I'm doing. Now, just in case you didn't know, Social Boost is an Instagram growth company or an Instagram growth agency that basically helps people to grow their Instagram accounts. And it's a really powerful tool, and it's one that I've used in the past myself. Now, if you don't want to promote Social Boost, there are many other different affiliate products or affiliate programs that you could sign up to, most especially in the Instagram growth niche. There are many others that kickstart right here. There's another one called Nitro, and there are literally millions of others that you can sign up to in case you don't want to promote Social Boost and copy exactly what I'm doing in this video. And when you have to actually sign up to the Social Boost affiliate program, you basically just want to scroll down to the bottom of this page right here, and you're basically going to see right here where it says affiliate program. And if you basically click on that, you're going to be taken to this page right here where you can basically just sign up as an affiliate to Social Boost. And all that you need to do is just put in all this your information. As you can see right here where it says website, it is optional, so if you don't have a website, you can still apply and get accepted instantly to the Social Boost affiliate program. Now, once you've signed up and you've gotten accepted to the Social Boost affiliate program, you're going to be getting something called your affiliate link. And like I mentioned earlier, your affiliate link is basically just the link that you're going to be promoting. And anybody that you can actually get to buy Social Boost or sign up for Social Boost using that your unique affiliate link, you're going to be getting a percentage of whatever that person pays in affiliate commissions. Now, as you can see right here under the links category right here, you can see that this is my own unique affiliate link. And when you actually sign up for Social Boost, you're going to get your own unique affiliate link. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy my affiliate link right here. So, I'm basically just going to come over here to where it says copy, and then I'm basically just going to paste it in this document right here. So, I'm basically just going to paste my affiliate link right here. And like I said, this is the link that we're going to be promoting, and we're going to be making money with through Google search. So, now that I've shown you step 1, which is signing up as an affiliate for a product, like I said, it doesn't have to be Social Boost. Any product you want to sign up to is completely fine as long as they have an affiliate program. So, now once we've gotten the affiliate link, the next thing that we want to do is that we want to go over to Google search bar right here, and we want to type in Social Boost Review 2024. Now, if you're not promoting Social Boost, you want to come over to Google search and type in the name of the product you're promoting, review, and the year. And then you're just going to hit on search right here. And as you can basically see, what Google is going to do is that they're going to bring out a lot of different blog articles that we can actually look through to look for one that we actually like. So, as you can see right here, this is a blog article, Social Boost Reviews 2024 details, pricing, and features. And if you keep on scrolling down, we can also see that there are multiple different blog articles like this one right here that say Social Boost Review and several better alternatives. We can also see many others right here. If you keep on scrolling down, you can see that there are a lot of them right here. Now, I'm going to be clicking on this one, and I'm going to be opening this one up. So, I've already gone ahead and done that, and as you can see, this is basically the article. And the article is basically just a review of Social Boost where he talks about the details, the pricing plans, and many other things that you actually need to know about this product. Fantastic, so we have actually gone ahead and found an article on Google search. Now, let me show you the third process to actually making money off this article that we basically just found 2 seconds ago on Google search. The next thing we want to do once we find our article is that we want to go over to a platform called InVideo.io, and I'll leave a link in the description box below just in case you want to actually sign up to InVideo. It is completely free to sign up to, and you don't even have to pay a dime. Now, as you can see right here, it says try InVideo.io AI, no credit card required, so like I said, it's completely free to sign up to. So just go ahead and create a free account. It will literally take you nothing like in 2 minutes to create an account on InVideo. Now, once you've actually created an account and logged into your InVideo account, you basically want to come over here to where it says AI text to video, and then you just want to click on that. Now, as you can see, there are different templates that you're going to be given. So, if you come over here, this is the one I love to use the most. So, I'm basically just going to click on that template, and then I'm going to click on Landscape 16:9, and I'm basically just going to click on Use Template right there. So now what we basically want to do next is that we want to come over here to where it says add your URL here. And then we want to go back to that article that we actually sorted out earlier. And then we basically just want to copy the link to that article, and then we want to come back to our InVideo, and then we basically just want to paste it in this box right here. And once that's done, we just want to come over here and click on Create. Now, once that's done, you want to come over here to where it says Auto Summarize and click on that. And then we basically just want to go over here to where it says Go to Storyboard. And as you can see, our video is being created based on the article that we literally copied not too long ago. So, I'm basically just going to give it some time so that the video can actually be created fully, and then I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to monetize that video and how you can actually start making money from it. Now, as you can see right here, this software called InVideo has gone ahead to make a full-fledged video for us, and we can now use this video to actually make money with affiliate marketing. I literally just got this video of just copying and pasting a link from Google search, which is really powerful. Now, you can go ahead to actually watch this video if you want. But I don't think I have the time for that. So, I'm basically just going to be downloading this video by going over here to as export. I'm basically just downloading the video onto my system. Now, once the video is downloaded, the next thing I'm going to show you is exactly how to upload this video so you can start making money with this video exactly like I'm doing and start making literally thousands of dollars every single week very easily. So now, once your video is downloaded, the next thing you want to do is that you want to come over to youtube.com, and I'm pretty sure everybody knows what YouTube is at this point because you're obviously watching this video on YouTube. Now, what you basically want to do is that you want to come over here to where it says create, and what we are going to do is that we're going to be uploading that we created from Google search. We're going to be uploading that video onto YouTube. Now, the reason why we actually uploading this video is because review videos on YouTube converts really well and can make you a whole lot of money. So, if you can basically look for different review articles about different products on Google and you can use InVideo to make videos about them, you can upload those videos to YouTube. And just because they're review videos, people who typically watch review videos are people who want to know more about a particular product and are very interested in buying that product. So, if you can make review videos and upload those videos to your YouTube channel, you can basically put your affiliate links in those videos and start making money instantly off of that. Now, I've spoken a lot of times about review videos on this channel, and it's the reason why I will constantly always be speaking about it is because it just 100% works. And it's the method that I'm using currently to make all the tens of thousands of dollars that you can see me make on this channel. So now, to actually upload this video, the next thing you want to do is I want to come over here to where it says select files, and then we basically just want to locate where we kept that video. And then once we've done that, we basically just to upload the video right here. Now, the first thing we want to do is that we want to change the title right here as you can see to Social Boost Review, and then we want to put in the name right here or the year right here. So, Social Boost Review 2024, and then for the description, we want to also put in Social Boost Review 2024. Now, here's the very important part where we want to put in our affiliate link. So, we want to say something along the lines of try Social Boost, and then we basically just want to go ahead and get our affiliate link right here. And as soon as we copy that, we can go back, and then we can just paste this link in right here. Now, this is exactly what I'm doing right now, and it's working 1000%, and I'm literally making thousands of dollars just by doing this alone. Now, once we've done that and the video has been uploaded, once the video is done uploading, basically just want to come over here to visibility, and then we want to hit public right here, and we basically just want to click on publish this video, that's it. Now, I know there are still going to be a lot of doubt and people who don't believe that this actually works. That's it for now, thank you for watching and goodbye.